Good evening to Chairperson and all participants. I'm Norkia Asad from University Malaysia, Sabah, Malaysia. My presentation topic is nurses preparedness, readiness, and anxiety in managing COVID-19 pandemic. Yeah. So if we have been dealing with COVID-19 pandemic for almost a year. Among those most involved involved are nurses. Let me start with my introductions. Yeah, during COVID-19 pandemic, it is crucial to have a nursing workforce with a high level of readiness to respond effectively in reducing the risk of COVID-19 disaster to individuals, family, and community. Therefore, more research is needed to assess nurses' familiarity with emergency preparedness in COVID-19 pandemic situations in order to help nurses to understand their skills, ability, knowledge, and actions, because nurses need to respond, mitigate, and prepare for managing a disaster during COVID-19 situation efficiently. So these research aims are to investigate the level of preparedness, readiness, and anxiety, to examine the effect of individuals' differences on preparedness and readiness, and to examine the effect of COVID-19 disaster preparedness on anxiety among nurses in Sabah, Malaysia. Methodology of this study is a cross-sectional convenient sampling technique using self-administered survey method to collect data involving 148 nurses with experience in COVID-19 pandemic disaster in Sabah, Malaysia. The instrument, as you can see in the slide, consists of 5 parts. Yeah. So the result of this study, to answer to the research questions number 1, which is what is the nurse's perceived competence in managing COVID-19 pandemic preparedness, was measured using 2 measures, which is the first measure was the emergency preparedness information questionnaire. Score range from 41 to 205 with median score 123. The analysis indicated that the mean score of nurses in managing COVID-19 pandemic preparedness was mean 131 with standard deviations of 30.82, and the range of score was 1331.50, suggests that overall perceived competence of nurses relating to their familiarity with managing COVID-19 pandemic was moderate. The alternate measure was the nurses' assessment of readiness scale with the sum score range from 2 to 10 with the median score of 6. Also indicates that nurses are moderately with mean 6.65 with standard deviations of 1.64 competent in managing the COVID-19 outbreak situations. The results suggested that nurses feel they are moderately familiar with response and preparedness activity for large-scale emergency events such as COVID-19 pandemic. To answer to the number 2 research question is, what is the relationship of individual differences, which is age, working experience, and previous disaster experience on nurses managing COVID-19 preparedness? Regression analysis indicated that all 3 individual differences variables did not have significant beta weight in nurses managing COVID-19 preparedness, as you can see in the table 1 of this slide. So number 3, to answer the number 3 research question is, what is the effect of the managing COVID-19 preparedness on anxiety among nurses? Only 2 out of 9 dimensions of preparedness, which is familiarity with epidemiology and surveillance and familiarity with psychological issue, were a significant predictor for nurses' anxiety. The results showed familiarity with epidemiology and surveillance predicted nurses' anxiety positively, and on the other hand, familiarity with psychological issues affected anxiety negatively. So the results suggested that the nurses who were more confident in their ability in psychological issue, example, get appropriate psychological support for all parties involved in large-scale emergency events such as COVID-19 pandemic, and provide health counseling or education to patients regarding the long-term impact of biological agent, were also those who perceive lower anxiety, but those who are familiar with epidemiology and surveillance, their anxiety level was higher. In conclusion, registered nurses feel they are moderately familiar with response and preparedness activity to the large-scale emergencies. Individual differences do not have a significant relationship with nurses managing COVID-19 preparedness. However, nurses should be given psychological assistance in managing their emotions and coping with their daily stress in unpredictable situations such as coronavirus pandemic situations. Thank you. That's all my presentations. For five, is it for 4 minutes?